Replacing the air filter on a VW Up is very easy. All you need is a new air filter and a T20, I think it's T, yeah, and a TX20 Torx screwdriver or drill bit or something like that. The process to change the Skoda Citigo or the Seat Me will be exactly the same, and other cars will be a slight variation of this. So it's just clipped in, so you need to remove this hose first. And then it just pulls out. There's a small pin here that you can just pull that one out, and then it's clipped onto here. So just pull that one to the side and then lift it up off the intake manifold. Don't let anything fall down here, just put a cover over it. Just undo all the Torx bolts and lift off the cover. See, the upstream side's pretty dirty, needs replacement. If you want, blow it out with a bit of air. Hope the new one fits. It's only into plastic, so don't do these up too tight. If you've got torque settings, if you are using a drill, put them down to, I don't know, like 3 or something. Maybe even less than that, and do it and tighten it by hand. You don't want to strip it, it doesn't need to be particularly tight. Put it back in the car. Okay, don't forget the little pipe. Done.